Good afternoon and welcome to the Turkey Tour 2020. I am up here in the Pine Ridge of Nebraska with my buddy Tyler. He invited me up here and we are going to try to get one of the elusive Merriam's turkeys. Well, a couple of them, hopefully, ideally. But this is some of the most beautiful country, easily some of the most beautiful country I've turkey hunted, if not hunted for anything. And here is camp for the next day or so. Got the tent. Yeti cooking stuff, guns, and the tundra. We're getting ready. We're gonna go out, try to get some before this rain moves through tonight.
You're the guest, you call it.
Heads.
You're shooting first tonight.
All right.
If it's a single.
All right. I've got first crack at them. Fingers crossed. No pressure.
Get in these trees and kind of go around, and maybe that one kind of went that way once he got down to the trees.
Okay.
See if we can call again up here.
Okay. There was 3 turkeys down here and they just spooked. We were calling them. That's only 200 yards from the truck. We're gonna try to outflank them. Got a little rain shower in the area. We're just letting it pass through and then we're gonna go head over that way. A lot more open meadow area. Tyler's dedicated to the scout.
Do we get on the road or do we just cut across? Whichever way's quicker. I don't know which way's quicker.
No luck today. We saw 5 turkeys, we heard a couple more, but just couldn't put the sneak on them. So we're gonna try and find where they're roosting and hopefully get them in the morning. I think there's 2 up there. Yeah, there's definitely 2. There's gobbling all around now. We're about to get a big rain shower here soon, so gotta get dinner cooked before that happens. Here's dinner for the night. Smoked goose and goose pastrami. We're frying her up. And some baked beans. Pretty good camp meal, I'd say.
Yeah.
.4:30 in the morning. And it has been raining all night. We've got water in the tent. It's drips on everything. Some ran into Tyler's boot. My boots are damp, not soaked, so we're gonna earn it today. Well, we're back at it. Tyler's dad's out here joining us. And we can still hear him gobbling kind of where we put him to bed last night. So we're kind of deciding which one to go after now. That's a ways away. Tyler spotted 2 gobblers up here on one of these ridges, so we're gonna try and put the sneak around to them. No luck yet. It's about 8:15. We had 2 toms, about 25 yards, but they were behind us. We thought there were some more in front of us, and we thought those ones were coming. They didn't. And then these 2 toms and 3 jakes come up. We could have shot them if we were facing the other way, but we couldn't spin around. And then they ran off. And then we don't know sow. Pretty sweet views though. Straight south. That is about as close to turkeys as you're gonna get without actually being able to bag one. I mean, they were 15 yards, easily killable. We both have our 12 gauges, and just want to cross the fence. We don't have permission on that side. 2 feet, that is all that stood between us and 2 toms down. If they would have came 2 feet across the fence, we would have got them. Should have got them. But
that's how it goes.
Yep. We've still got a lot of daylight. We'll get a bird down today.
I think we will too.
Or 2 or 3.
I'll be happy with 1.
Yeah. Don't want to count my turkeys before they're shot. Well, we are done with this property. It's about lunchtime, so we're head back to camp. We're gonna tear down, make a quick lunch, and pack up and head out to another property for the afternoon. They fooled us. I mean, we 2 feet away and we would have 2 gobblers down, but just one across the property line. I think that's gonna do her for the Pine Ridge turkey trip. It's about 48 degrees and we've got a bunch of rain setting in for the whole afternoon, so if it clears off and we're gonna go by the other properties, maybe have a chance to go hunt again, but it's not looking likely. This rain's just really putting a damper on everything. Now that was an awesome experience. Talk about some of the coolest scenery you could ever have turkey hunting. The Pine Ridge is absolutely gorgeous. I know it didn't pan out for me turkey wise, but just being up there and hunting a completely different way. You know, I don't do a lot of spot and stock or walking around listening to gobbles and then calling and trying to get on the birds. I don't do a lot of that. I do more of a setup, scout out the roost, try to get there before, which we did a little bit of that too. You know, we tried to get to the roost and it just didn't work out this morning. But it was an entirely different experience, an entirely different style of hunting, and it was awesome. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what your thoughts were, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations like the National Wild Turkey Foundation, and we'll catch you out there, guys. See ya.